Hello everyone, this is Scripting Indian and welcome to today's video. And on this video, I'm going to show you how to invest your Ethereum in a fixed income plan through BitBNS for a fixed and assured return. Now, if you don't have a BitBNS account, not an issue, you can simply sign up with the referral link provided in the description below. And if you do so, you would be getting 100 rupees worth of Bitcoin for free. Now, this FIP feature has been there for a while now. It got introduced last year and it is only available on BitBNS, and that too on the browser version only. So if you are trying to access it from your mobile device, you might not be able to find it, and you can go ahead and read the Medium article that BitBNS has for its FIP program. And I'm not going to read through all of this, but if I have to sum it up, I can say that it's simple. They bring different plans now and then. Choose the one that you prefer, and each one will have an allocation limit, a maturity period, and a predetermined annualized interest rate. The interest earned would be received along with the principal directly on your BitBNS wallet once the maturity period ends. And what we are going to do today is we are going to invest in an FIP with Ethereum coin. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, watch the video till the end, and in case if you have any questions, put it down in the comment section and I'll surely get back to you. For that, let's first click on fixed income option at the top. And once I've clicked, I'm on the fixed income plan screen, and on the screen you can see all the FIPs for different crypto tokens. We have ongoing plans. If you scroll down a bit, you can see upcoming plans, allocated plans, course plans, which are the plans which were there earlier, but our focus here would be particularly on ongoing plans. For that, let me first make the selection as Ethereum, and now I can see that we have two ongoing plans for Ethereum Mega FIP, which only requires Ethereum, and the other one, Ethereum Mega FIP, which requires Ethereum as well as BNS tokens, because BNS tokens are to be locked along with, and there is a difference in the rate as well. Like the first one is at 15% and the next one is at 20%. One more difference, that is the maximum allocation. Remember that the plan will be locked only once the maximum allocation is reached, that is when the maturity period commences. So one has 200 and the other one has 100 Ethereum. Now I will be selecting the second one where the rate is 20% and also it requires some BNS to be locked. And here on the plan details screen, I can see that the maturity period is 30 days. Early redemption is not allowed and the estimated rate is 20%. And remember that this is annualized. It also mentions as a note, all rates are annualized. And here you can see, like, for every 0.01 Ethereum that you are going to invest, you have to lock 25 BNS. So make sure that you have BNS on your wallet. It also displays on the left side, it displays the amount of BNS coins you are holding at this moment. Now let me enter. Alright, this might throw me some error. Let me click on deposit. Alright, so it says like the input amount has to be in the multiple of 0.01. Let me correct this, and once you enter the correct amount, it will show you the calculated return at 20% annualized rate. And adding to that, the initial amount that I invested would be this, and if I click on deposit, it will throw me one confirmation screen, and here I can see again the return rate and the total maturity amount of Ethereum. And if I click on confirm deposit, it says successfully deposited. I can close it now, and if I want to check my investment, I will have to go back. Now once you have submitted your investment, you can check it out. Click on fixed income again, and here go to your plans, and you can see the details of the plan that you have opted for. It says that it is waiting for allocation to complete. Now remember that the interest calculation only commences once this allocation is completed. Also note that this 20% return rate is not on the amount of money but on the amount of Ethereum coins that you have invested, and I am showing you with a test amount, but I think that this is a good investment option that BitBNS is providing. Again, not a financial advice, that is just my personal opinion. So if you are holding a good amount of Ethereum on your wallet, it's better not to sit on it or keep it idle, and you can do this particular FIP. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop it on the comment section and I'll definitely reach you. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.